In this module, you will learn how ASP.NET Web Forms interacts with the SQL Server using ADO.NET. We will create a connection, run SQL commands, and perform all CRUD operations. ADO.NET is the .NET technology for working with databases. It provides classes to connect, execute SQL, and fetch results efficiently even when disconnected from the database. Let us create our database named EmployeeDB with a table called employees. It will store employee ID, name, designation, and salary, perfect for testing CRUD operations. To connect your web app to SQL Server, add a connection string in web.config. This string defines your database name, server, and security mode. To fetch and display data in a grid view, create a connection. Use SQL Data Adapter to run your select query. Fill a data table and bind it to the grid view. To add a new employee, use an insert query with parameters to avoid SQL injection. Execute the command using execute non-query. It performs the database operation without returning data. For updating records, use an update statement with parameters. Always include a where clause to update specific records safely. To remove a record, use a delete command with a parameter for the employee ID. This ensures the correct record is deleted. For practice, create a full CRUD form where you can add, update, delete, and display employees, all connected to SQL Server. This will give you a strong foundation in ADO.NET. Always remember to close your database connections, use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection, and wrap your operations in try-catch blocks for error handling. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find these lessons helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. You can also explore more tutorials on my channel ASP NET and SQL Academy. We also support charity work through this channel. If you wish to contribute, you can scan the UPI QR code shown on the screen or send your support to UPI ID. Your small help keeps these tutorials free, continuous, and growing. Thank you for learning with us, and thank you for supporting the mission. God bless you.